Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can add assets through ADFDI spreadsheet. Click on fixed assets. Click on assets. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on add assets in spreadsheet. The system is asking what type of asset we need to add. I want to add capitalized assets. Select the capitalized as asset type and click on OK button, Go button. Now system has downloaded the spreadsheet. Open the spreadsheet. Click on Enable Editing. Click on S. Now enter your user credentials. Say ERPZEN. Enter your username and password and click on Next. Now here populate the sheet. Interface line number say 101122. Our book is ERPZEN corporate book and the type is capitalized. What is this cube name? Whether it is new asset or error on hold, book changed, etc. I want to go with new. Description table purchased. Select your categories. Select your major category. ERPZEN furniture and select tables as an example. Click on OK. Click on OK. What is the date placed in service? Say it is 17 March 26 16 and the cost is say $9,000. How many units? One unit. And what is the country information? Select the country, state, city and building. Select the location information. Country, I want to go with China. Sub-country, state country, Beijing. City as Beijing. And building, Building, I want to go with City Hall. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now you have selected the details. Populate the asset number, say 1073. Serial number, these are all not mandatory. Now ownership is owned. I am fine with these details. Now click on the tab Create Asset Additions. Now click on Submit. Click on OK. The process has been submitted. Now jump into the instance and check what is the process. Go to Monitor Process. Prepare asset transaction data. So system has submitted prepare asset transaction data. Now go to asset inquiry and search with your asset number 1073. Click on assets. It is here table purchased and it is showing some warnings. It is incomplete. You can see under info tiles it is incomplete. Now we will complete this information. Now it is asking us to select the asset key. Click on OK. Now if you want to tag any employee information, you can tag. Now click on. Now here the queue status change from new to post. Click on save and click on save and close. Now system will run the process. Click on monitor process. Now you can see no incompleted transactions. Now Select the record. Click on ready to post. Click on table purchased. Click on post all. Now system will submit the job. Go to monitor process. Yeah. Post mass additions report. System has submitted post mass additions, and post mass additions report has also submitted. Click on post mass additions report and click on default document. Now table purchased. System has added that asset, and you can see the asset number 1073. Now let us jump into asset inquiry and check. Click on fixed assets. Click on asset inquiry. Search with your asset number 1073. Click search. You can see 1073. The details, the current cost, original cost, net book value, it is also called as NBV, depreciation, depreciable basis amount. So like this, you can see the asset record. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.